Hello everyone. While artificial intelligence is the engine, business analytics is the compass that guides it. Here at RCM, our analytics curriculum will help you interpret data, uncover patterns, and make decisions based on insights, not instincts. Here you will learn tools like Excel, Power BI, Python, and predictive models used by top companies. From market trends to operational excellence, analytics empowers MBA to not just follow the data, but to lead with it. My name is Lalit Kumarkar. I am alumnus with my MBA degree from IIM Ranchi. I have a technical background with a BTech degree in computer science and technology. I have worked in corporate with the major players like Deloitte and K12 Services.
It's just not what you learn, but from whom you learn it from. Your mentors and professors of RCM don't only hail from globally ranked universities, but carry their experience of being a part of top-ranked companies. That is why we say that the journey of legends of tomorrow starts today at RCM.